man a popping and me I represent the Beat Again lifestyle. On YouTube, just subscribe. It's popping over here and we later you don't know the whole team popping one spot there. Vibes right, liquor in the head, everything nice, everybody there, Esco there, Stalk there, you don't know, just link up and get your income. You see me I say, yeah, you know things go out here.
We just reached home from work. Today is March the 18th, 2019. Tomorrow is my birthday, which is the 19th of March. However, I won't be here. I'm going on the road. But you guys will see. However, I was just come home. I said I'm gonna pack and leave. She said before I leave, she wants to give me my birthday present. I don't know what it is, but I want you guys to see what I'm getting, an early birthday present. See that I'll be coming back tomorrow, which is my birthday, but I eat at the evening. But she want to give me a day before, which is today. So, yeah, but I love my eye. So, over there, so. And then she will bring a present come. And then take.
Already long time, you will give.
So,
hot.
what I think it is?
What, buddy? Buddy? What are you laughing at?
Alright, close your eyes.
Close my eye? Really? Close my eye, just like one of my eye on the front.
Close your eye.
Oh, two of them or one of them?
How much do I have?
What you have?
How much do I have? Again?
Oh, how much do I have? One year.
How much eyes do you have?
Oh, I have two eyes.
Close your eyes.
Oh, my eyes. Okay.
Don't look. Do not look. Do not look.
Oh, what is?
Okay. So, don't touch. Yeah, grab some more. You say shut your eye.
My eye shut. I can't see nothing.
Alright, look now. Me say look.
You say look, you never say before.
Oh, yeah, I know.
I lie. I'll get Gucci. Oh, thanks.
All it good.
I want to take this off. This look weird. Alive, I'm going to cast this. Alive, there's something like this. Yeah, what is up? But wait there. Buy the white or the body there.
Nah, you don't want to make you a gift.
But like it. But good
You
guy,
like the color?
still. Yeah. But bro,
I was with that team when I said pink and then they never have no black in a day.
Can I catch fish? No, we can't trade to the sea. But like, my little gift though.
Then the cheap.
Alright, y'all get quality. Quality well nice. Hugs y'all. Hug y'all.
You're so extra.
Come give me a hug. Wow, y'all get talk to nice. Talk to me nice. Hugs. Hugs. So we can't go catch fish with that though, we can't go and see.
There's not much fish I don't catch.
All of that too, but like, look at early birthday gift. Guys, if you want to help me celebrate my birthday and give me something nice, my PayPal link is in the description box below. Okay? And if you would like to maybe check me out on my social, you can wish me happy birthday on any of my social or give me a belated gift by PayPal or whatever, and wish me happy birthday in the comment section. So yeah, I gotta get ready again. Guys, when I came back home, I actually got a birthday cake from my friend. This is a red velvet cake with cherry on the top. Guys, I love this cake so much. It tastes so good. I think I actually even have more in the fridge though, but yes, this is just the cake. Guys, on this day I went to pop in. I got a piercing done. So yeah, me and my friend. So guys, as you guys can see, I just finished had my dog. JJ was there.
Just I leave work. The master corn dog, the bad dog. So I was like, thanks. It's my birthday gift though.
This month?
My birthday comes from Tuesday.
So you never know that you don't post on Instagram?
Yeah, I do post on Instagram. I did post actually. Guys, I don't know if you the day one people ever remember JJ back in the vlogs, back in the days. Remember back in the days? I know this one. So yeah, gonna play ball because you look wild. So one thing about my hair is like my hair can't keep long because the type of texture of the hair what I have. Because my hair just did last week. Was it last week? Yeah, I think it was last week. And look at my hair already. So my type of texture here, hairstyle have to change. Some might do a next style, but I don't know. Let's see if I can maybe rock it next week, but just do a style. I'm planning to do a video in regards to style, how to braid, how to do box braid and so forth. So stay tuned for that. So.
G-City.
Which part is it?
G-City.
Guys.
Gangster City.
Which part there? You know, so you get fatter. You put enough weight, you know? Which girls? Who like that?
My girl, them love them muscles.
Oh, your girl? Oh, okay. So anyways, I room me. Remember JJ, I room me back in the days, and then when you and JJ they are go down at the hill, you understand?
Oh, that when you tell us because I make too much noise.
And then I know one day they must be a ram fighter or something back in the days. I remember the girl them from down there, sir?
Yeah, more gangster shit.
Oh yeah, so you get mad? Yeah. No, really?
Just look for them, want to touch it.
Yeah. You're good doer.
Yeah, man.
I'm a day I do road there, see. A little bit. Guys, me I go back popping again. So the people are here piercing too. So, let's go. Guys, I just see a nice little fruit baskets or fruit plates. So we have papaya, melon, apple. It's a little $350. So guys, like we just left popping, you know, we got our piercing done and so forth. So we'll go down in Ava Tree now. So later that night I actually got Burger King for dinner. That's off the clips. So what I did throughout the day, I finished on my burger. I bought a number 2. As you guys know, I love Whopper and double Whopper, but actually tonight I had double Whopper. Tomorrow's my day off. I have a lot of things in store tomorrow, so stay tuned for vlogs. I want to see if I can do a marathon for you guys again, maybe a 1 week marathon. So let's see how that goes. So although this vlog is combined with a lot of footage, I hope you guys enjoy, and remember to give my video a thumbs up, leave a comment and share, and thank you guys so much for all those birthday wishes over on all my social. Thank you guys so much. I don't know how to thank you guys. I love you guys so much. So as you guys can see, I need to go to my bed. So good night, sweet dreams, or good morning, and enjoy the rest of your day or your night, and I see you in tomorrow's upload. Peace.